crown limousine at a Mayhem auction. Once a symbol of elegance and leadership, it's now sitting damaged and deregistered. The moment I saw it, I knew it was going to be our next project. Of course, taking on a repair of this scale is never a solo journey. With the encouragement and support of friends and family, we decided to make this happen. This project became more than just fixing a car. It's about proving that damaged vehicles can be given a second life when people come together with a shared vision. The first stage was assessing the structural damage. After an accident, this step is critical. It is where experts check whether the car's main framework is still sound or if the integrity has been compromised. A crown limousine isn't just any car. It's built for durability and safety. So this assessment wasn't just about spotting visible dent. It's about understanding if the structure could still offer full protection. Using 3D scanning machine, every corner was carefully examined. This detailed assessment ensured that no hidden damage would go unnoticed. Next, we looked underneath the car. To everyone's relief, the undercarriage appeared to be in excellent condition. No crack in the subframe, no tear in the suspension mount, and no hidden leaks. This was a good sign because damage to the underside can quickly escalate into high repair costs, and in some cases can even make a car uneconomical to repair. For this crown limousine, the foundation remained strong. Still, appearances aren't enough. Even if the car looks straight, the chassis may have shifted slightly. That is why a 3D measurement was carried out. With millimeter precision, specialists checked every key point of the frame against the BMW's original factory specification. The results confirmed that the chassis had not moved, which meant the car could be restored without compromising its alignment, stability, and safety. The most visible damage was at the rear. The panel was crushed and had to be removed completely. A brand new replacement part was sourced directly from BMW dealership. But here is where we faced one of the biggest challenges of this project: sourcing parts. At first, we tried to save costs by ordering affordable replacement parts from China. It looked like the perfect solution: cheaper, accessible, and semi-reliable. But after almost 3 months of waiting, the part never arrived. Eventually, we had to cancel the order completely, which was sad. In the end, we sourced what we needed locally through BMW dealership and wreckers in New Zealand. The parts were much pricier, but they came with the assurance of quality and availability, which we prioritized at that point. This experience highlights a huge issue in the auto industry, which means trying to balance affordability with sustainability. It's very crucial. Also, delays and shortages often push people towards waste, while higher costs discourage repair. This is one of the major reasons why insurance companies most times prefer to write off the car rather than repairing them, which gives them a second life. It is crucial to find a balance in the heart of what we are trying to do. Once the new panel was fitted, it was carefully painted and seam sealed. Seam sealing is crucial. It prevents moisture and corrosion from entering hidden joints. Without this step, a car might look good on the outside, but begin to rust from the inside out. For a vehicle of this importance, attention to detail was non-negotiable. After the repair, the challenge was blending. You can't just paint one new piece and leave it. It will definitely stand out. To achieve a flawless finish, both rear quarter panels, the boot lid, and the bumper were all painted to match. Blending ensures that when the light hits the car, there is no visible difference between the old and the new paintwork. This process actually takes time and skill, but it's what brings the car back to showroom condition. With the painting complete, it was time to put everything back together. This included fixing the boot lid padding, reinstalling the reverse camera and light, attaching the bumper, reconnecting all accessories. Every wire, sensor, and clip had to be refitted exactly as before. This stage is often underestimated, but modern cars are highly complex. A missed connection could affect parking sensor, reverse camera, or even safety systems. Precision here was as important as the repair itself. Repairing the car was only half of the journey. In New Zealand, once a vehicle has been deregistered, it cannot simply go back on the road. It must first pass through a rigorous compliance process. This includes inspection of the repair quality, alignment check, safety testing, and documentation to prove that every step meets the national road standards. This is one thing I appreciate about New Zealand. It's designed to ensure that any car returning to the road is as safe as the day it left the factory, if not safer. For the Crown Limousine, this process was completed with the highest scrutiny. Finally, after passing compliance, the limousine was approved to return to New Zealand road. What started as a damaged car has been restored to full strength, ready to continue its service. This repair journey shows us why damaged cars deserve a second life. With the right expertise and care, waste can be reduced, valuable resources can be preserved, and vehicles can be brought back. Finally, after almost 4 months journey, the car passed compliance and the Crown Limousine is approved to return to New Zealand road. What started as a damaged car has been restored to full strength, ready to continue its service. This repair journey showed us why damaged cars deserve a second life. With the right expertise and care, waste can be reduced, valuable resources can be preserved, and vehicles can be brought back to life instead of being discarded. And this is where Toivra comes in. Toivra is a brand committed to sustainability in automotive, waste, and building industries. By focusing on repair, reusing, and smarter recycling, Toivra helps reduce environmental impact while extending the life of valuable assets. Every car repaired, every part reused, and every piece of waste diverted from landfill brings us closer to a cleaner and more responsible future. Because sustainability isn't just about saving the planet, it's about making smarter choices today for tomorrow. Join us in spreading this message that damage doesn't mean the end. Sometimes it's the beginning of a second life. If you found this journey insightful, don't forget to like this video, share your views in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for future projects. Thank you.